Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session, we will see how we can create and edit some composite profiles. In order to do so, let's wait for this interface to load up and then we will close this by default drawing number 1. Now we can access the file saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 67. So here we have the profile with the natural terrain and its two offsets. We can go to Profile View Properties and then uncheck these two boxes which were the offsets. Now we have just natural terrain profile with us without any offsets or gaps. Let's go to Profile Properties, select the natural terrain profile, and now we can access the further data like the information. Here we can give a name like Access Road. In object style, we can change the style to existing ground profile. Even if we can modify, we can change the colors, like we can change the color of line from red to orange. We can change the line weight from by default to 0.3 mm. Now we can hit apply and then press OK. Now you can see the changes. Moving next, let's select this profile and then access the Profile Creation tool. Here we can give a specific name, like if you want to create a flush. So let's give a flush view 1. In profile style, we can go for the basic, design profile, existing ground profile, and so on. Here we will go with the basic one. Under profile layer, we can create a new layer, but this time we will go for modifier with suffix underscore steric. Under labels, we can give complete label sets or the standard ones, but here we will go with the standards only. Now, we can start with the curve settings. We can go with parabolic, we can go with circular or asymmetric. Now we will go with parabolic for now and keep all the things by default. Then we can draw tangent with curves. So how we actually want our profile to go. We want it to go all the way up there till this point. Then we want a slope to this point. Again, we want something like this. And after this point, we want it to be at this location. Once we press the enter key, it will create itself like this. Now we can make it PVI based or entity based. In PVI based, we have these three icons active, which is like copy, raise or low, and insert PVIs. In grid view, you can see each PVI station. It is highlighted with a green triangle. So we can change its station, elevation, grade in, grade out, curve length, K value, curve radius, etc. Once done, we can move next. We can go to its profile properties. Here you can see the name is already given as Flash View 1. We can change the object style by going to display. Here the color is white. We can make it red. We can even change the line type and line scale, etc. Once we apply and press OK, We can move to the profile data. Here you can see all the details like the elevations, stations, and offsets, etc. Under design criteria, currently we will not check it. Let's apply and then press OK to see the changes. Now we can go to the profile view properties, select the profile and then press Enter key. So in profile properties under basic, we can modify it. We can see all these options. So anytime we want to access them, we can simply go there. Now for the profile view properties, currently you can see the offsets are turned off, just the flush view and the axis road is turned on. For the flush view one, we can go for the labels. Currently you can see there are these 4 types of labels active. There are different types. Further, if you want major stations, perpendicular width tick with increment of 100 feet, let's apply and see the effect. Now you can see these perpendicular to tick major grid lines are visible. If you want to change the increments or its type, we can repeat the process by accessing the profile view properties, going to the labels for flush view 1, here you can see the major stations were perpendicular with tick. Let's delete them, hit apply and then press OK. You can see they are still there because we have to apply 2 times, one in that dialog box and one when we are in this main dialog box. Now you can see these major grids are gone. Let's save this file as lecture number 68 as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 67. Once the file is saved, we can simply close this interface. So this is how we can actually create and edit the composite profiles. I hope you liked it. See you in another session. Till then, take care.